Hello, my name is Tom Chandler. I'm a tech mentor. Today we're going to talk about how to start Microsoft Excel. Most of you think you know how to start Excel, and that's true, but we've got a couple of tips and tricks that we think you'll find enjoyable. There are 6 different ways that we can start Excel. Most of you know that you can do it by going to Start All Programs and select Microsoft Office and pick Excel from there. But we're also going to show you in this video how to do it from a keyboard shortcut, how to do it from the Start menu, how to do it from the taskbar, how to do it from a desktop shortcut, and finally how to start Excel by double-clicking an Excel file icon. So first of all, most people know that they can start Excel by going to the Start menu, selecting All Programs, and then from here they go down and they select Microsoft Office, they choose Microsoft Excel, and it'll start. Let me demonstrate. I'm going to go to the Start menu, I'm going to go to All Programs, I'm going to go down to Microsoft Office. I'm going to choose Microsoft Excel 2010, and it will start Excel for me. I'm going to choose File, Exit, and we're back to our PowerPoint presentation. One more thing though, once you've started Excel, it may show up here in the list of items. I'm going to remove it temporarily. And now let's go back to our presentation. Another way you can start Excel is by pressing the Window key and then the letter R. Most people don't know about this Window key here. It's the same thing as clicking the Start button. But if you press Window like it's a Shift key and then the letter R, you'll get this Run dialog box. Here you can type the word Excel, click OK, and it'll start Excel for you. That way you don't have to worry about where did they put it in the Start menu. Let me demonstrate again. So I'm going to go to the Window key on my keyboard, and notice that brings that up here. I'm going to press the Escape key because I was supposed to use it like a Shift key. Window R, now it opens up. Here I type Excel, and I press Enter. It starts Excel for me. Okay, so that's doing it from a keyboard shortcut. We can also have Excel pinned to the Start menu. This is a little different than what we saw a few minutes ago, where it was down here. We're going to have it pinned up here permanently. Once pinned, you can click Start and choose Excel. To pin it, we're going to go to the Start menu. We're going to find Excel in the usual place, All Programs, Microsoft Office. We will right-click and choose Microsoft Excel. And from there, we'll be able to choose Pin to the Start menu. Again, I will demonstrate. I'm going to go to the Start menu. I'm going to go down to All Programs. I'm going to find Microsoft Office. I'm going to right-click on Microsoft Excel 2010, and I'm going to pin this to the Start menu. Now, when I go back, it is here on the Start menu. I can click, and it starts Excel for me. You may have also noticed that once it's pinned, you can also just hover your mouse over it, and it gives you a list of Excel files that you've had opened recently. Okay, that's pinning it to the Start menu. We can also pin Excel to the taskbar so that it's right here on the taskbar. You just click and it will go ahead and start Excel. To pin it to the taskbar, again, we go find Excel in the Microsoft Office area, right click, and we're going to choose Pin to Taskbar. Let's demonstrate that. So we're going to go to the Start menu, we're going to go to All Programs, Microsoft Office, right click on Excel, and we're going to choose Pin to the Taskbar, and that puts it down here on the taskbar. If you'd like, you can grab it and you can drag it to wherever you want, and then to start Excel, you just hit the Excel button. Okay, we can also start Excel by starting it from a shortcut on the desktop. To put it on the desktop, we go back to the same old place. You right-click on Excel, and this time we choose Send To. And then from here, we'll select Desktop, Create Shortcut. That'll put a shortcut on the desktop that we will then be able to get to. So I'm going to go to the Start menu. I'm going to go over here to All Programs, Microsoft Office, right-click on Excel 2010, Send To, Desktop, Create Shortcut. Now it's here on my desktop. I can double-click, and that will start Excel for me. Finally, we can start Excel from a file icon. So if you have an icon in a folder like this, Finished Orders, you can double-click it, and it will start Excel for you. So again, one more demonstration. We go to this folder that I have called Files. There's my Excel file. I double-click it, and it starts Excel, and it retrieves that file for me. Okay. I hope that you've enjoyed this video about how to start Excel. Much of what we've done also applies to Microsoft Word and any other program that you may need. Additional tips and tricks are available from your local Tech Mentor. We hope you'll visit our website, www.thetechmentors.com. Thank you very much.